Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Did some research on this, and it's actually a very well-regarded piece of equipment. I kind of slammed it unnecessarily. It's not Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has one similar to it, but it's not this one. Checking something that they recommend that you make sure is here and is in good condition. This one appears not to have it, because it talks about having a steel sleeve that goes in this, but this one, the ceramic nozzle, acts as the carburetor, acts as the device to entrain the air and the sand as it blows through here. The sand falls into a pocket formed by this ahead of the valve. Now there could be, I believe there is, supposed to be a metal disc ahead of this. And without that metal disc, it's not going to function. It costs $9 to get one. I think I'm going to go ahead and order one. Because without it, this won't work. It'll raise the cost of this to $14. But having a test of this thing without all the components is kind of a waste of time. This tank is pop riveted in place. You can clip this clip down, remove the tank as you watch me do. This is off, This is on, but without that carburetor in there, it's going to be non-functional. I get lucky every once in a while, and this was a good one. That's a fair amount of weight.